on a hill of Golgotha. Jesus Christ suffered to take away the sins of the world. With his blood he made a way. All of us should pray to the one that was born on Christmas Day. Come to the manger, see the blessed Christ child, helpless, lying in the hay. Morning alone this table, from the Virgin Mother, but this child was one day meant our way. I was a stranger, my sins were so many, helpless, lost as I could be. Then I heard the blessed story, true meaning of Christmas. God's Son would take all our sins away. Come to the manger, see the blessed Christ child, helpless, lying in the hay. He